Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I'll show you how to install Lexmark NB2235i drivers on your Windows device. So, if you want to install drivers, you need to go to Lexmark page. You can't scan any files to computer, to your Windows device, if you have no new drivers, if you have no latest drivers. So, firstly, you need to open Chrome browser or any other else browser, then find Lexmark and open Lexmark. Click Set up your printer and open support.lexmark.co. Here choose drivers and downloads and enter here your printer's model. In my case, it's NB2235i. Here click download the Windows drivers and downloads package from Lexmark. Start download and wait for it. Click on this button, click on your downloaded file, then click install now, then start. Click install to continue to or cancel. Click install. Scroll down, scroll down of license agreement. Of course, you need to read this license agreement, but you know, security notification, permission to access Lexmark software. Okay, click next. And now you need to connect your printer to your computer with USB cable, or if your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network that your printer is connected, you can use it using the internet, okay, using the Wi-Fi. So I can do it using the cable and I can do it using the internet. So I will do it using the internet, then click next, installing driver, printer software, computer support, completed, click continue. Now you need to install Lexmark Universal Fax driver if you want to use fax on your computer, Lexmark phone book if you want to use it, and let Status Center. I suggest you install Status Center because in this way you will have the opportunity to first to fast know about what's doing with your printer now. So now let's find the Lexmark printer home application. If you have no this application, you need to download it from Microsoft Store. So just wait for it. Lexmark printer software. Install. So okay, maybe now I can use scan on my using my Lexmark AVS. So just try it. So drivers are downloaded, drivers are successfully installed. So I can end this video, but I just want to try if I can scan using this printer, using these drivers. So scan to computer. Okay, and great. So okay, now I can scan using my computer. I have an error in my printer when I want to scan to the PC, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to how to scan using AVS, so unfortunately just installing drivers and not help you to scan or using AVS, and that's it. So if you want to know it, watch next video. Bye.